pag-aralan, huwag mag-alinlangan, patuloy ang paglaban. Kailangan mong malaman ang dapat pag-aralan, huwag mag-alinlangan, patuloy ang paglaban. Maging matatag sa pag-attend sa learning camp, hindi dapat susuko abutin ang pangarap. Maging matatag sa pag-attend sa learning camp, hindi dapat susuko abutin ang pangarap. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, hindi ka mahirapan sa kailangan matutunan. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, tulungan ang sarili na maging matatag. Kailangan mong malaman ang dapat pag-aralan, huwag mag-alinlangan, tuloy ang paglaban. Kailangan mong malaman ang dapat pag-aralan, huwag mag-alinlangan, tuloy ang paglaban. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, hindi ka mahirapan sa kailangan matutunan. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, tulungan ang sarili na maging matatag. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, hindi ka mahirapan sa kailangan matutunan. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, tulungan ang sarili na maging matatag. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, hindi ka mahirapan sa kailangan matutunan. Learning camp, masaya sa learning camp, tulungan ang sarili na maging matatag. Kailangan mong malaman.
Hi, good morning. I'm Alina Vince E. Vallarta, NLC Camper of 2024 under the class of Consolidation Camp. Ang NLC ay may magandang naidulot sa amin, tulad ng ma-enhance kami sa math. Sa mga lessons like sa math, maging mabilis kami mag-solve. Sa English, to use new words. At para may tama ang grammar sa isang sentence. At sa science naman, malaman ang uses ng parts of the body. Ang NLC ay masaya, mag-e-enjoy ka sa mga fun-filled activities, and to know how to solve problems. Overall, attending National Learning Camp gives so much knowledge to enhance my strategy and thinking.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Carmela Isabel Montero Vicente, NLC Camper of 2024 under Consolidation Camp. Attending the National Learning Camp is a big help to an average student like me, who's struggling to understand the lesson, especially in mathematics. By providing examples and solving some of the equation, I was able to remember our past lesson in grade 9. The formula of the quadratic equation, solving the value of x and y, using the calculator to get the value of sine, cosine, and tangent. Furthermore, we also discuss about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Overall, learning and solving again was a big help to enhance my mathematical skills and thinking. In our English subject, we discussed about research, journalism and sport, giving the meaning of unfamiliar words which also added to my vocabulary, constructing essays and poems, and we also tackle about cons and pros, and determining formal, neutral, and non-formal statement. In science, we improve our point of view about what's happening around us, such as how volcanoes form, the active and not active volcanoes, metal and non-metal, the periodic table, and the states of matter. In our fun-filled activity, we engage in so much activities such as building words, Scrabble, and number games, and we really have fun. Based on my experience, I really enjoyed the NLC and will join again if there have chance, as I learn and enjoy at the same time.
Ako si mama ni Sofia, nalipay gid ako kay nakatuon si Sofia sa pagsamo niya, kag damo siya natunan, kag naka-recover man siya, kag eskwela mo sa maayo tungod sa kuan, damo siya tunan sa iyang mga teacher, sa mga subject niya, kag matama siya kag nakabalik.